Wait, can I give it one more time? Go outside, and you guys can go in the car. Oh my god! Look who's in the corner, and look who's gonna die. I can't climb up. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna climb up to the roof. I'm gonna die. No! Oh, I'm safe. No, I'm not. I'm not safe. Hi. Your turn, Bella.
I want to go to Maine.
Play survival. This is so.
What?
Do you change the cat?
Yeah.
Hey, spark in the water, please.
Yeah. Okay, so play. 5 and 1.
No.
6 people. No. Look behind you. Okay, no one's there. If you go in that car there, you can drive.
Crap.
Bella! Will this be posted on YouTube? Because you can. I'll show you how to do it if my mum has Wi-Fi. And just do that. You're gonna slide down. Are you serious? Run, Bella, run! You black kitten. Oh my god! You run and then you see Steve. We're like enjoying your little stroll and then you see Steve. I'm so scared of everything. You can't jump on there. Okay, so you have 2 Steves, so they can't see you. I think they're blind. Have you seen the eyes? He's real. Okay. Steve!
No, don't fall it.
He's right under there waiting for you. Keep on going down.
I just need out.
Wait, no, go that way. Forward. Go forward. Jump when you get to the wall. Look that way. No, with that. Go forward. No! Yeah, there, go forward. Jump when you get to the wall. Look down. Look that way. Can't do it.
Ah, crap. You can
Go to him and see if he'll see you. It's night time now. Don't jump into his legs. Go now.
Where am I?
You can't see. I think he's blind. You're going to see the rabbits and hamsters.
Yeah.
This is where we got our hamsters.
I'm going to wear my new top.
I'm literally a much better one than you.
I know, you're a legend. Oh, great.
I want to go in a house. Crap him.
He's right there. Jump into that bit. Oh my god, he's in there! Jump in there! He can't get you in there! Jump! There you go. He can't get you. Go inside the curtain.
I'm gonna hide it.
We're at Pet's home. End of the video.